Hello everyone and welcome. Today we shall talk about benefits of adding rotted wood chips or sawdust into soil. It's the heart of dry season and water scarcity is felt here in our region. So the ladies met to work on how we can improve water holding capacity for our soil during the heart of the dry season. And since here we rear chickens and we usually use sawdust for their bedding, it was a good idea because after this manure has been collected, the poultry manure mixed with sawdust, we usually keep it for 12 months and above before using it on our farms. This is to make sure that the sawdust rots and also to be sure the manure is decomposed. We then use this, incorporate it in the soil that is just about 2 to 3 inches at the top soil. Then we transplant our veggies and spices and we water. With this method, we don't have to worry about the water evaporating so fast because adding these wood chips to the soil helps to improve the water retention significantly. Wood shavings, wood chips, or sawdust could be used in 2 different ways, either as mulch or incorporated in the soil. So we incorporate ours in the soil together with the manure, farmyard manure. So we use about 1/5 of sawdust in 4 parts of manure. We make it less sawdust actually and more manure, since all are plant and animal material. They will help improve the soil and also retain water. And this is how we manage our kitchen garden during this intense dry season. Here in this garden, we just incorporate with the soil. And for this large bed that is being prepared is for turmeric and probably some carrots. So we'll be using it, that is the sawdust, as mulch. After the plants have sprouted, then we can mulch about 1 or 2 inches of sawdust so that we don't have to keep watering and watering. It is going to retain water, serve as cover, and also maintain ambient temperature for the plants.